Paul Larson of Velo Transit, the owner. He told me what to do about getting this repaired. I used a knife and I slid it underneath each one of these in this area. Undid the thread and then pulled this back, exposed that area. And then the zipper, I had to make sure both of these were even. This is the repair I did. I was able to fix the track and I used that shoe goo, let it set for over 24 hours. And it was like a little slight little struggle getting it through there. And when it zipped down, oh my gosh, I got so super excited. It's freaking nice.